Want to know how we can make $43,708? Get this app and start using it to earn money. This video is about how easy it is to get paid on your iPhone or Android device with a free app. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. You would never need to get a job, and you would be making more money from a few apps on your phone than you would have made working a day job for years. How cool would it be to earn hundreds to thousands of dollars per day from the comfort of your own home using only your phone? I came across an app that is paying individuals in real money just for using it. Such as this app that pays users hundreds of dollars just for participating in various gaming activities. The app's called 1v1me, and if you think that playing games online to make money is something that interests you, then you should definitely be using an app like this one. The app has only been there for a short while, but it has already achieved widespread popularity on the internet and is bringing in a significant amount of money for a great number of individuals. There are users of the app who have accumulated more than $50,000 in earnings on their accounts. If you enjoy playing games like Fortnite or Call of Duty, then this app is for you. It pays you to show off your gaming skills. And the more wins you get, the more money you make. They show you all the available games and how much is on the table. To earn, you challenge other players. As you can see, they have top earners on their platform who have earned anywhere from $20,000 all the way up to almost $60,000 on their accounts. This is proof that playing games online to make money does work, and the amount of money you make depends on how much time you spend doing this, and it's really easy to get. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, and comment saying, I like it. Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.